At the Starknet Foundation, we have a very exciting onboarding process for any developer who is curious about blockchain and wants to actually launch a product on this Web3 and use new technologies. And this new onboarding process actually has like 5 main steps, which starts with a program called Basecamp. And Basecamp is essentially a coding bootcamp where you get to learn Cairo, the programming language of Starknet, and you get to build over 5 weeks your first application on a Starknet with the support from your teachers. You get to meet the community. You can take that online over Zoom, and then you graduate from this Basecamp. Then you can go to the next level where we support you. Is a hackathon basically. When you go to compete, you go with your friends, create a project, and just find some vertical that you're interested, like DeFi, like gaming. And you can actually earn some money, win some prizes there. And the next step of the onboarding process after the hackathon will be to participate in a hacker house. And the hacker house is the place where you take your idea, this proof of concept that you built in the hackathon, and you put it in a startup, in an actual business model you want to showcase. So we're gonna support you for about 5 days with a hotel, with food, so for the whole team to work together in person. And at the end, you get to present your project in front of judges. We'll give you some feedback, and hopefully some people like VCs will be interested to talk to you. And if your project starts to get some traction and some interest, we actually have investments that we can do from the Starknet Foundation. We call it the seed grants, where we give people up to $25,000 to basically have everything they need to get to the last mile and launch the project on mainnet. So that is the Starknet Foundation onboarding process for developers, and it starts with Basecamp. See you there.